Hey Petty Fam, I'm doing Rich Boy Troy. Mykel wants to take Nay for me. I think we have beef now. Let's get into it.
You think you could treat her better than me?
Oh.
Like, to be honest, my nigga, it's me. I can treat her way better than you, my nigga. You don't do enough. Like, come on now. Like, come on,
Bro, you for real, son? You for real, bro?
Man, you ain't even put a ring on it yet. Like, come on now.
Ooh, he said put a ring on it.
Bro, you for real? You for real?
Yes.
I'm calling you on some bro type stuff, and you sitting up here playing with me, bro. You playing with me on camera, on net.
He said don't play with him.
I don't take it like me, bro. Like, I really don't take it like me. When you try to play with someone, girl, you don't do it, bro. Especially when that's like your work. You don't talk, you don't associate with nobody, girl. You don't do none of that.
Grr.
Make sure you subscribe with your dog, yeah.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe.
What's up, guys? Dog, what's up, guys? Dog, videos, I ain't never said that you don't like me, but fake. You talk. What's up, guys? I'm back with another bang. Bro, you know what the freak it is, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the deal, bro. Y'all know the freaking deal, bro. Y'all already know.
I mean, y'all know, like, comment, and subscribe to us. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Watch our ads. Y'all know, too.
Y'all already know. So, basically, everything's going crazy. Everything's going crazy, bruh. Everything's going crazy. Crazy, bruh. Crazy. And I'm just like, dang, what should I do? I don't know what to do, bruh. Like, what you think Nate thinking, bruh? Like, it's really, it's business, bruh. It's business. It's business. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you gotta work. You feel me? Like, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I done told y'all, like, you just got to, bruh. And
You gotta do what you gotta do.
you know what I'm saying? This crap crazy, bruh. This crap crazy. But, yeah, bruh. I'm gonna call Mykel to see what he think about this, son. I'm gonna call him. Man, he probably gonna be on my side, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, he understands, like, where I'm coming from. Like, it's business, you know what I'm saying? Like, when you got work, you got work. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just work. You feel me? Like,
You got work, you got work.
it's like my job, like, literally. So,
That's true.
everybody going crazy, bro. Everybody going crazy. I ain't think, like, it was gonna be this big of a deal, you know what I'm saying? Like, we just took pictures. This is all we did. We took pictures, we did a TikTok, and we did YouTube videos, and post on our stories. Not everybody think we together. That's all
Oh, well, you know.
we did, bruh. That's all we did. That's all we did. And everybody's talking about, oh, y'all cute, we ship y'all.
You know how the internet is, though.
It's YouTube. Like, it's work, bruh. It's work. That's all I'm saying. Like, I'm gonna see what Mykel on, you feel me? We gonna see what he think about this, like, cause honestly, I don't know, bruh. I don't know, bruh. I'm scared to call Nate, bruh. I'm scared, like, I'm scared. What if she tries to shoot me or something, bruh? Like, what if she try to pow, 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 pow?
Is that serious? She gonna shoot people?
I'm not trying to die. I'm too young to die, bruh. Maybe I should talk to my mama. Come on.
Yeah, baby, talk to your mama and your sister.
Let's see what mama thinks. Mama duck. I think she gonna be on my side too. Like, everybody just making it a big, like, something it don't gotta be, you feel me? Like, it's really not that serious, bro. Like, you act like two people, one girl, one boy can't work, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all just, it's crazy, bro. But you know what I'm saying? Bruh, we about to see, bruh, what my mama thinks.
Oh, tear him down, poor thing.
Nay, if you're watching this, I love you. I love you, I really do. But I just need you to understand. I'm doing this for you.
Oh.
I'm doing this for you. For you. Alright, look, Mom. Pause it. Alright, look. Tell me what you think about this.
Mama already knows. She looked at him like, what now?
About what?
About everything, bro. Like, I just literally exploded the internet tonight.
Exploded them doing what?
Just taking pictures and YouTube videos. Now everybody thinks I'm with Tony. Like, what?
No, you're not. This is your friend, right?
Yeah, like, it's word.
Oh, this is sad.
Like,
Oh.
everybody throwing shots and, like, just going crazy, bro.
Nay is your girl, right?
Yes, but it's just like, you know how girls be. You know how they be getting, like,
Did you kiss the girl, Tony?
no. I
Did
did
you
nothing.
touch her?
I did nothing, bruh. It's literally business.
Well, why did they
But
say
this
that?
one, I
Because
think,
you
what
was
you
just-
think about?
Mama trying to get the story straight now.
This, like, what you think about this?
Yeah, I mean, Nay, does Nay know this is your business?
She been for me. She been with me for like almost a year. She should know this by now, bro. Like, she know this what I do.
But did you tell her that you were gonna do this before you did it? What did you do? You just took a
yeah. That would have been good to warn her that you about to collab with some girl before she already know.
picture?
Yes, why
Well,
I
you
gotta
gotta
tell
go
you
down.
that? Why I gotta tell you that I'm about to work? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
As long as you guys weren't hugged up in the picture.
right? We didn't
Let me
even
see the
touch
picture. Let me
We
see
didn't
it.
even touch each other in the picture,
All right,
bro.
let's look at it.
Mama gotta get all the information before she defends you. Like,
See if it was a bad picture.
Look, we didn't even touch each other.
All right, let me look.
Bruh, nothing. Nothing.
You guys are kind of far apart too.
Exactly. That's like
yeah.
5 inches.
But she got your, whoa.
But that was a YouTube. That was for a YouTube video, and I forgot to tell her to take it off. And I got the facts.
All right, the picture looks innocent except for the chain is a little, no, that was a little.
But
Yeah, okay. Since the beginning of chains, now you gotta have your girl wearing your chain. And if like boys are playing basketball or something, and you give a girl your chain, that kind of means something.
she was just
You
wearing a
shouldn't have
chain.
put
You know?
your chain on her, though.
But that was just to make y'all talk.
Well, they talking. Oh,
This is
you got
crazy,
what you
bro.
wanted.
Why? Toe up, bro.
All right, well, I can see why. Is Nay mad at you?
I guess, but it's just like, I don't know, like,
You guess, have you talked to her?
Right.
I'm scared. I'm
scared?
I'm scared she might try to kill me.
Well, I know you don't like girls that are violent, so I hope she don't try to kill you, because then you really gonna be.
You gotta call her though.
Out of there. I don't think they would do that.
But shoot, y'all stay tuned, bro. I'm about to call Mykel and see what. I feel like he gonna be on my side, so yeah, I'm gonna get some advice. So y'all stay tuned. It's finna get turned. Alright guys, I'm about to call him right now. Whoa, nah.
What up, Tim?
Hey, bruh. I know you been seeing this, bruh.
What's been saying what?
Hey, I need some advice, son. Like, these they tripping, bruh. Like,
let me know something.
Like my girl tripping, son. And everybody tripping. Like, we ain't even do nothing.
You talking about the girl that wanted me?
Oh,
Man, what?
What you mean?
Bro, what you talking about, son?
You talking about old girl that was in my DM, huh? Hey, you must have thought I was playing about that, huh?
not in a DM.
Bro, what?
Going down in a
No, son, that's
DM.
my girl, son. What you talking about?
Hold on. So what you calling me about?
No, son, I was just trying to, like, I was trying to get some advice, like,
He's trying to get some advice. He's trying to do something totally different.
no, I don't know, like, everybody talking about, oh, Nay doesn't deserve you, and she deserves better, and, like, I'm like,
Look, this you gotta do.
huh?
You gotta
He about
You
to
gotta
say
do it your. You can't think with your heart, bro. You gotta think with your head.
Right.
Right. So wherever you your mind tell you, that's what you gotta go with.
Facts.
Cause if you think with your heart, you gonna be lost.
Facts.
Don't tell him that.
Real talk.
See, this why I called you, because you got the knowledge.
I'm telling.
You gonna take advice from somebody who said your girl was slitting his DMs?
You, and I got the knowledge on old girl. She wrote me, so I think you should stop talking to her.
You said my
I'm just
girl.
saying, hey,
Bro, you for real?
I'm serious. She just takes me on a day. She had responded to my story with the whole house. I like, right?
Alright, so wait, you think you could treat her better than me?
Like, to be honest, my nigga, it's me. I can treat her way better than you, my nigga. You don't do enough. Like, come on now. Like, come on,
Bro, you for real, son? You for real, bro?
Man, you ain't even put a ring on it yet. Like, come on now.
Put a ring on it.
Bro, you for real? You for real?
Yeah. You got her necklace.
Bruh.
He was already having a bad day, and then his friend made it worse.
I know, like, bruh, like, real talk, son, like, I'm not even playing no more. He said he was for real. It's like, he said he was for real, bruh. Like, I don't take that serious. Like, I don't. Look, bruh, hold up. Let me sit down, son. Like, bruh, I don't take that lightly, bruh. Like, I really don't take that lightly. When you trying to play with someone, girl, you don't do that, bruh. Especially when that's like your bro. You don't talk, you don't associate with nobody, girl. You don't do none of that. You feel me? Like, when that's your
Is he still on the phone?
girl, that's your girl. That's yours. You don't, what y'all gotta talk about? You feel me?
Yeah.
What y'all gotta talk about? Y'all ain't gotta talk about nothing. You feel me? Like, you my friend. You ain't her friend. Why you messing with her?
At that point, like, why is she even following him? Why he following her?
Talking about I treat her better, man. bruh, I don't know, son. Like, this making me like might have bad blood with him. Like, real talk, son. Like, and he thinking this a game, bro. Like, I'm calling you on some bro type stuff, and you sitting up here playing with me, bro. You playing with me on camera, on net. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know I'm videoing. So why is you doing it? That's why I don't play. Like, he be
when they voice start cracking,
taking this stuff like he just be doing too much, bro. Like, he just be doing too much, bro. And that's like with the girls and stuff. Like, I don't play about nobody girl, bro. I don't talk to his girl. So why you talking to my girl, son? You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, man, this man trying to kick me out. Yeah, bro, like, I really don't play like that, son. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, I really don't play about nobody girl, you know what I'm saying? Like I just feel like no dude should talk to your girl, son. Like, straight up like that. Like, then he talking about I'll treat her better. Like, you even if you not for real, like, don't play with me like that, bro.
Yeah, don't play with him.
Don't play with me like that, son. Like, real talk. Like, I don't go down like that. Like, this stuff got me real pissed off, bro. Like he really, I don't like nobody thinking that they can play with me, because nobody can play with me, bro. Like, nobody, son. Like, once somebody think that they can play with me, then other people can think that they play with me. So
that's true.
I gotta show him, like, don't play with me, bro. I gotta show him now, son. Like, this about to get ugly, son. Like, real talk. Like, he keep playing with me like this. I don't like to be played with. Like, real talk, bro. Like, all jokes aside on this video, like, I'm not even playing right now. This real talk, bro. Don't play with nobody's girlfriend. If you supposed to be their friend, you feel me? You feel me? Then he talking about I could treat
That's facts.
her better and stuff. Like, no, son. You know what we do. This is what we do. We work. This is how we work. You know what I'm saying? We do, like, videos and YouTube, but when you actually, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, stop, bro. Like, stop. Like, he really got me heated right now. Like, I'm really walking outside in this hotel. Like, I'm about to flash out. Bro. Like, this don't make no sense. Look, y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all let me know what y'all think I should do, bro. Like,
and yeah, call Nate too.
this really got me mad, bro. Like, I'm not sitting up here talking to him. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, why is you doing this, bro? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. I'm out.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell, and become part of the Noto Squad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad. Get us 100K, please. We're trying to go up there. Thank you, petty fans. To like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad, get us to 100K.